Country name?
India.
State name?
Odisha.
Village name?
Bonnibel.
District name?
Balaton.
Block name?
Kerala.
Police station?
Kerala.
Pin code?
76047.
What is your national flower? Flower.
Our lotus.
What is your national animal?
Tiger.
What is your national bird?
Tiger.
What is your national flag?
Tiranga.
What is your national game?
Hockey.
What is your national anthem?
Anthem Janagana Monayati.
What is your national song?
Vande Mataram.
What is your national sweet?
Jalebi.
What is your national fruits?
Mango.
What is your national dish?
Khichdi.
What is your national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Who is the president of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Who is the prime minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Who is the chief minister of Orissa?
Navneet Patnaik.
Who is the father of nation?
Gandhiji.
Gandhiji full name?
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is a freedom fighter.
What is your name?
Freedom fighter.
What is your name?
My name is Sibras Mountain.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Ranjan Mountain.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Miss Chobita Mountain.
How old are you?
I am 3 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I am living Tungur.
I live in.
I live in Tungur.
When is your birth? My?
My birthday on 19th August.
Can you recite your favorite rhymes?
Flying Baba Lachip. Happy Holi walk. Yes sir, we best go. One for master, one for the day, and one for the rest of play.
What is your favorite color?
Color?
What is your favorite color?
Color yellow and white.
What is your favorite fruits? Paneer?
Padi pitas and white cake.
What is your favorite fruits? Straw?
Strawberry and watermelon.
What is your favorite vegetable? Laddi?
Lettuce finger